Good afternoon, students. The class is P.I.E. eating 101. If you have come today to learn the expert methods of eating the pies, then you have come to the right place. If you are not serious, then get out. Good. Then we are ready to begin. I shall introduce myself. I am Dr. Wernon von Stuttgart. I am the world's preeminent expert in the eating of the pie. I have a Ph.D. in P.I.E. Now we are serious. Let us begin with going over the 5 main components of eating of the pie. We have the 1, the whipped cream. We have the 2, the filling. We have the 3, the pan. We have the 4, the mouth. This you eat. This you eat. This you do not eat. Note the most important part of the eating of the pie, the mouth. Notice the excellent dental structure. Notice the wide mandibular spacing to allow for maximum intake of the pie. Notice the tongue waiting for the delicious pie. But nine! There are no hands. There are no hands. Now for instructional purposes, we shall watch the film of one of my greatest triumphs. World champion for over 17 straight years in the eating of the pie. Let us watch. Let us see how a true champion wins. Notice the intent. Notice the focus, the concentration. Nothing exists except for the pie. Now, see the jaws dislocate as he begins to approach the pie. Here is the moment. Here is the moment. First contact with the pie. When he knows he is going to conquer the pie. Yes, that is it. Destroy the pie. You must love the pie, but you must hate the pie. Just a little bit. Yes, that is it. That is it. Every bite, every morsel. There is no loss. There is nothing but the pie. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. That is all.